Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I wanted to talk about some medicine lately. Well, for the past, it's been close a year and a half. I've been having some issues. And the doctors did find out I have abnormal swallowing, and was very small on the acid reflux. But something about like when I talk too much, I end up getting sick and then losing my voice, and I belch a lot when that happens. And I had recently just had to quit my job. They were just starting me out they had moved me to a different position, talking on the phones all day, and I had to quit it after 2.5 weeks of training for it. I did the first day of it, and I ended up getting all the symptoms back that I did back in August of 2021. And one of the things that I was getting really bad was belching. And it's very loud belching. And I was trying to find some way to get that taken away, because I believe it's the air swallowing, because when I talk a lot, I guess I breathe through my mouth some, and I think it's just too much talking that you have to do on a call center job, and I think I just get air build up back there, maybe because of abnormal swallowing. So I've been trying to, since I'm not working right now and looking for a job, I'm trying to do different things to see what will help. And I was looking online to see what would help with the belching. I came across a website, and it had somebody else that had issues with belching from Areophagia, which is air swallowing. And they told them, some doctor answered them back and said to take this medicine, homeopathic medicine, 3 times a day for 15 days. And so I tried that, and it's called Carbo, Vegetabilis, Vegetabilis, 30x, or 30 times. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Just making sure you can see it on here. Is it upside down? I thought I had it. There you go. Hopefully you can see it that way. Now, I have done this. It took 3 bottles. They very, very small white pills, and you take 5 of them and put them under your tongue, and you let them dissolve. And you do that 3 times a day. And I did that, and it has helped quite a bit. I do still have some belching, but it is nothing like it was. It may be a couple times a day. Some days I'm not even getting it, which is good. I may have to go back and get some more. I used it up on Friday, and so I got them on Amazon. I think for 3 of them there was around $20 for 3, and I think for just one was around $8. And this is supposed to help with relieve abdominal bloating with gas, but it is helping a whole lot with the belching coming from my throat, because it's been pretty bad. And another thing that I had an issue with is just felt like something stuck in my throat for the past a year and a half, almost 2 years now. And it's just like it just stayed there and stayed there, and they called it globalus, the doctors did, but I think it could have been like air trapped up there in my throat, and that has gone down a lot. In fact, the past 2 days I have not had it at all. It wasn't always there, but it was there majority of the time. It was just like something stuck there making me sick and irritate me to death. I start getting dry heaves and throwing up. And then I'd lose my voice because of that. And when you lose your voice, you cannot do a call center job. But yeah, I just want to recommend if anybody has any issues like this may help you. It has been helping me, and I may go back and get some more. Thank you for watching.